Let's continue with the properties of timber. All the mechanical properties of clear wood are related to its density. Bulk density depends on the volume of pores and moisture content of the wood. Shrinkage is the reduction in linear and volumetric dimensions in drying of wood. Swelling is the capacity of wood to increase both its linear and volumetric dimensions when it absorbs water. Heat conductivity of wood is quite low compared to plastics and metals. When subjected to compressive force acting parallel to the axis of growth, wood is found to be one of the strongest structural material. However, if the compression loads are applied in the direction in a right angle to the axis of growth, it's not so durable. Wood well withstands static bending, owing to which it is widely employed for elements of buildings. Cleavability is the measure of the ease with which wood may split. Most hardwood splits more easily along radial planes than along longitudinal surfaces. Woods which must be fastened by nails and screws should have a high resistance to splitting. Hardness is defined and measured as resistance to indentation and resistance to stretching. Veneer. The primary process in the manufacture of wood-based products is veneering, which produces thin sheets of wood known as veneers. The thickness of veneers varies from 0.4 to 0.6 mm. In no case it should exceed 1 mm. Plywood. A wood panel glued under pressure from an odd number of layers piles of veneer is known as plywood. Fiberboard. These boards built up of felting from wood or vegetable wastes are classified by the process of their molding. If the boards are molded by wet process, the main bond is by the felting of woody fibers and not by added glue. Fiber boards are manufactured in various densities like medium and high. We can have particle board, or we can say chipboard. They are manufactured from particles of wood or other lignocellulose materials which are agglomerated, formed and pressed together by the use of an organic or cementitious binder, together in the presence of heat, pressure and moisture. We have chipboards with synthetic resin binder, or we can have chipboards, particle boards with cement binder. Oriented standard boards is a type of engineered lumber similar to particle board, formed by adding adhesive and then compressing layers of wood strands in specific orientations. In this table, we can see the types of hardwood mostly used in building, their defects, their properties, and their uses. Also softwood and delicate woods and resinous woods.